With your thank you, today BAMGLAMdiy is going to teach you how to make a bar or a solid dish soap. This is the counterpart of the dishwashing liquid that is made from surfactants, but a bar or a solid dishwashing soap. It is a true soap. It is a true soap because it's made from real saponification. That is a combination of oil and lye to produce a soap. It's a chemical process. So today I'll teach you how to make a solid dish bar. This is the recipe on the screen. So we are working with half liter of oil. Depending on the country where you are watching from, you can replace palm kernel oil with coconut oil if that is what you have. Now you are going to go in with your cool lye solution. Make sure that your lye solution, you have soaked it and you have dissolved it very well and it has cooled down before you add it to your oil, so that you will not have something like your soap tracing so quickly or your soap trying to gel. Now you're going to add in sodium silicate to it so that it will help to harden the soap, and then your fragrance so that it can scent well. Remember that this dish soap needs to be as economical as possible. So in the absence of fragrance, you can continue and go ahead and produce your soap. And then with any little foaming booster. You can even dissolve your powdered detergent and add in just a few scoops. Or you can use the liquid soap in your kitchen as a foam booster. Or if you have a foam booster, you can also add it. But just a little quantity, like 40 ml. And now, if you don't have sodium silicate where you are, you can replace sodium silicate with sodium lactate. The reason why we add this sodium silicate or sodium lactate as an additive in bar soap making is so that your soap can easily come out from the mold as easily as possible, while also giving you some profits and then giving you hardness together, because it actually increases the volume of your soap. It's actually liquid, so for sure your volume will be increased. So once you are done, get tiny little cups in your kitchen or toast cups and pour the soap. Some of us call it local soap, but it's actually a dishwashing soap. So you can use it and wash your dishes because it foams very well. This soap actually saves you cost because you make it with little ingredients, just majorly the basic ingredients, and you are good to go. And a good fragrance for this kind of soap is something like lemon or lemon and orange, and you are good to go. What I did was a small mix of lemon and orange, and it smells amazing when you are using it to wash. And does it foam? Yes. Have you dropped the thank you in the comment section? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? This, you can make this and you can use it as gift idea. This is a very good gifting idea for your friends and families and fans. After making it, you can just package it the way I packaged it. You can give it to your teachers, your children teachers, your neighbors. My neighbor, please, this is my way of appreciating you for this year. Take this. And in such way, you are also, apart from gifting it to your neighbors, you are also trying to tell them what you do. So it's just half liter of oil we use in making this soap, and then we have a splendid outcome. Once you mold your soap, remember to place it on a rack for like a day or 2 or 3, so that all the moisture in it can leave the soap and the soap can harden up before you start packaging it inside your nylon. Remember what I said. Try as much as possible to leave your soap on a rack for some few days before putting it in a nylon. And then you can package. These are just mere Christmas stickers and a common red and green ribbon that you can get from any fabric store around you. Irrespective of the fact that you may not find the Christmas stickers, but there is no way you will not see ribbons and nylons to package it. This is the nylon I'm using is a nylon used in packaging plantain chips, peanut chips, all those things that people fry and sell along the road. And then voila, you have a very good outcome. Look at how we transform this soap that we call local soap into something that is giftable, something you can give somebody and the person will cherish it. Wouldn't you try this? Please tell me in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, and tell me if this my channel and this my page has gained you enough knowledge so far. Thank you all for sticking to my end from the beginning of the year to the end of this year.